In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add mini calendar in Notion. Notion doesn't include a true mini calendar widget, but you can get a compact, at-a-glance calendar by using a database and a calendar view. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, small calendar you can tuck into any page for quick date awareness. Start by creating a database that tracks the items you want to see on your mini calendar. This can be a table, a board, or an inline database on an existing page, whatever fits your workspace. What matters most is that your database includes a date property, because the calendar view relies on that property to place items on the calendar. If you're setting this up for tasks or events, make sure that property is set to date rather than text. You can rename it to something clear like date or event date to keep things organized. Next, add a calendar view to that database. Open your database, click the Add a View button, and choose Calendar. Give the view a name if you like, then confirm that the calendar is using the correct date property. Once it's created, you'll see your items laid out by day. If you don't see anything yet, double-check that your items have dates assigned. To turn this into a mini-style calendar, place the database in line on any page where you want quick visibility. You can drag the database into position, place it in a column next to your notes, and resize it by dragging the edges to make it smaller. This compact placement is what gives it that mini feel, while keeping it fully functional. Clean it up with filters so it only shows what you care about. Open the filter menu for your calendar view and include just the items you want to see, such as only events or only due dates, so the calendar isn't cluttered. This is especially helpful if your database contains a mix of content. Keep filters simple and focused for a tidy overview. If you want an even more compact look, switch the view to week. This shrinks the calendar footprint while still showing what's coming up soon. It's perfect for dashboards and side panels where space is limited. That's it. Create a database with a date property, add a calendar view, place and resize it inline, filter for key items, and switch to week for a tighter layout. You now have a clean, mini calendar experience inside Notion.